Who's looking for a perfect personal self-care gift? Preferably something with value, quality, and impact. Look no further with this massage chair find. Today we will welcome and review the newest chair by Mynta in the Mynta series, the MC1630. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin C. Lin, a physical therapist and chronic pain specialist at Rehab and Revive. As a physical therapist, I believe that massage chairs can be a great way to ease tension throughout the body in the comfort of your own home. I personally have experience with quite a few models of zero-gravity chairs from various companies. In today's video, we've done our research and decided to collaborate with Mynta, which is a subsidiary of Ogawa, the mother company, who started manufacturing massage chairs in 1996. They make reputable health products like the Cosia chairs you may have seen in stores like Mathis Brothers. In 2017, Mynta, their American brand, came to life with the goal of creating premium massage products from head to toe. In 2021, during the pandemic, I observed a boom in personal care items with all kinds of products popping up. It was around this time the Mynta line was created to provide a range of affordable yet high-quality massage chairs using Ogawa's cutting-edge technology. A disclaimer: although this item was sent to us and they are sponsoring this video, my professional duty to you all is to provide my honest and unfiltered opinion. If you like what you see today, there's a promo code in the descriptions below so you can save more on this chair than what is being advertised. So let's jump into it and see what this chair has to offer. The MC1630 has a segmented and flexible self-adapted SL track, which in my opinion is the biggest highlight to this Mynta line. For me in particular, it feels customized to my size and shape. You'll feel this when they scan your body and adapt with your sides as the tracks adjust itself. The second highlight I want to mention is this chair can achieve a deeper zero-gravity angle, specifically a 170-degree position than others, which makes it feel like you might be tipping over, but I promise you aren't. My initial impressions on what I like. Unboxing was easy. It came all assembled and delivered to my front door within 2 to 3 business days of ordering it. Once you get the chair out of the box, there are a couple of zippers, a power cord, and the settings screen just snaps into place. That's it. The workmanship is really good. The materials used are durable and the fabric is soft. The vegan leather and the trim overall just seemed a little bit more luxurious in feel and look. Also, the touchscreen is intuitive and we haven't encountered any bugs or quirks. I can't say it enough. It's quiet. We've tried several different massage chairs at this point, and this is by far the quietest for the price point. The foot roll undulates versus others that just spin or just apply pressure from the airbags. This is key in hitting all the different hotspots of someone with stiff and painful feet. I like that the chair will scan you to avoid any unnecessary pinching. This will help not just someone with my build and frame, but help someone with a thinner, more petite frame, like my wife, who finds most of these chairs uncomfortable because she has less meat on her. When you want more oomph and intensity, you can feel the 32 full-body airbags applying some serious pressure during your massage. I just feel from a professional standpoint, it's helping my lymphatic system clear itself. Other features are similar across the board to others. Heating, Bluetooth, customizable massage modes, 5 intensities, 5 speeds, 5 massage techniques, and specific zones you may want to target. Some quick specs before you commit to it in your house or business. The footrest could extend up to 7 inches and accommodate users up to 6'1" and 280 pounds. So here are my likes and dislikes of the Mynta MC1630. As a medical professional, I judge products and services on 5 factors in order of importance to me: durability, reliability, quality, value, and reputation, brand visibility. Durability. How long will it last? Within the first 2 weeks of usage, I found no issues. I can tell the materials used feel high quality. It's quiet, and the technology has been very seamless. Reliability. Does it do what it's supposed to do? And it is a resounding yes. It gets the job done and then some. So far, after about 30 uses, this chair has not had any technical glitches. Quality, such as the fine touches like trim and feel. I love that it comes fully assembled. The fabric feels premium, the controls are easy to understand, and the motor feels strong. Value. This is one of the best price-friendly personal care items in the market. You can't go wrong here. If you're looking for a massage chair with these specs, considering some massage chairs I've seen are upwards of $16,000, this option for under $2,000 is a really great value. Mynta also seems to have sales going on often, and the promotional code below can be stacked to save even more for these Mynta chairs. If you're looking for a deluxe massage chair but don't like the price tag, you might consider the MC1630 for a lower barrier of entry. Finally, reputation and brand visibility. Ogawa and Mynta is essentially the same company. Just check out their factory video. My parents purchased a Cosia chair from Mathis Home, and they use it 2 to 3 times a day, every day. It's a winner. Although I loved using this chair overall, I do have a few things that I would like to see changed with the Mynta MC1630. I like to see that the wheels at the bottom of the chair move forward so that the chair's mobility doesn't require a lot of tipping to reach its fulcrum. And since it's heavy, I have to use both arms on both sides to slide it around and find the right tipping point. As a physical therapist, I wouldn't want you to hurt your back while trying to save it. Maybe this is my chair or across the board, but the heat function isn't the warm, hot pack you might expect, but a subtle climate control feature. Don't think of it like a heating pad, but more as a way to stay comfortable temperature-wise while enjoying your massage. I would prefer if it got a little bit warmer. Also, I'm unable to use the width function under the 8 presets. Only under manual modes could I adjust this function. Personally, would love to be able to tinker while in these preset modes. So there you have it. In short, I'm going to go with my initial impressions. I love the sleek, clean, modern look, the soft feel, that it's quiet, and the adjustable anti-pitching SL track helps my more athletic frame. Oh, and most importantly, I'm impressed with the undulating foot pressure. It's oh so nice. If you liked what you saw, remember there's a sizable promotion code they have given us as a thank you for watching, and it is stackable with their offers. We were told it could be used for all their Mynta chairs. Check that out in the description down below to save big on these chairs. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter,